Hi everybody, this is John Lochenko, and for today we'll be working on my prelim examination. So let's start with the instructions. So here it says here that we should create um, my own company name and use it as the class name and title. I also have to explain per line using a single line comments, and I should write a Java program that print and calculates the monthly pay of an employee. So the net pay is calculated after the following deductions, and below here is the sample output. All right. So let's start now with the codes. I'm using NetBeans as my IDE, and here are my codes. So let's just go first per code per line. So for my comment here, it says here that this program shows the format that Happy Payroll uses for pay slips. I put my name as the author, and also my course and my year end section. So so let's start with this line. Line 3, it's the package, happy.payroll. So it serves as folder that groups related classes. By the way, just to share to you guys that these comments here are just for the user's guide, so that they will be able to know what to expect per line. So there. And then for the next line, it says here import Java util scanner. So this one is used to read and output like integer, double, strings, and the likes, right? For the next line, it says public class, and then the class name, which I made use, which I used Happy Payroll. So it indicates that access is visible to all classes since we are using the public as its type, or the class type. And then public static word main, this is the starting point of the Java program. I also made use here of the scanner input. So this one is used to put the value and the kind of value that we should be using. So for this specific program, we'll be using string to indicate the name and the position, double for gross pay, double also for the pag-ibig, PhilHealth, SSS, and the likes for their values. And the other deductibles on double format as well. And they are being declared as shown here on this specific part. Okay, so next line, line 15, it says here system output print. I am using this kind of line separator, which I'll be showing you later on the output. I made use of Happy Payroll Inc. as the name of my company. And then another line separator here. I'll be using my own name for the employee name, followed by the employee position, which says Global Resource Analyst. For another line, which is line 20, it says here that the system should print out gross pay. I declared 50,000 for the gross pay. And then another line separator for line 21. For the deductions, I have here the following deductions as mentioned on the instructions. I'll skip first this part. So for the deductions, I have here the withholding tax, SSS contribution, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, Medicare, and its values. All right. So since we're talking about the values, we have here the following formulas. So for the tax is gross pay times 10%. So that's the formula that we have on the instruction page earlier. For the total deduction, so we'll be adding the deductibles here. So those are the pag-ibig, PhilHealth, SSS, Medicare, and the tax. Net pay is computed by gross total less the total deduction. SSS is computed as gross pay times 3.68%, and then Medicare is computed as gross pay multiplied by 1.33%. All right, so All right, so after those, I also put another line separator here, and then another line, which is line 36, that will compute the total deduction, and then another line separator here with the additional line. All right, that's for line 36, rather 37, and then for the line 38, the program will be showing the net pay. So again, our formula for the net pay is gross less deductions. Okay, and this two curly brackets here are used to close the program. So let's start now with the run. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here I have the name of the company, the name of the employee, the position, the gross pay as stated above, which is 50K, the deductions part and their corresponding amount. Withholding tax is 10% of the total gross. SSS contribution is 1.30, rather SSS is 3.68%, Pag-ibig is 100 pesos or 100, PhilHealth is 150, Medicare is 1.33% of the gross. Adding all of the deductions, we have here the total deductions that corresponds to 5,255 and 1 cent. So we'll be getting our net pay by deducting the total deduction with the gross pay, and we'll be getting 44,744.99 cents for the net pay. So there you go. I hope I was able to help or share something with you guys today. Thank you, and you may have a good one. Bye now.